Hello, I'm Ravi from TecnisiaCAD and today we are working on family tables in Creo. So let's start with the topic. Here you can see the screen of Creo parametric. I'm going to take a new part here. But before taking a part, I'm going to go for manage session and start working with select working directory. Set the directory you want to work on. Now create a new file. In family table we are creating some specific parts like standard parts, like you can say washers, nuts and bolts. These sort of standard parts we can create in family table. So let's go for giving the name. I'm giving the name is washer. Click OK. Washer underscore 50. Basically we have already make a part here which is washer name. So that's why the problem occurs here. I'm giving a new family table here. Uh, we are starting with a new file. This is the folder we have created now. And now I'm going to Creo and I'm now taking documents and here Creo files. Here washer will available. Go for OK. Now save the file now, giving the name washer standard underscore standard. Start with a specific shape of washer. I'm giving the internal size. Internal size I'm giving for M10. So I'm giving here the clearance value is around 11. And then I'm creating another circle and giving the value, and this value I'm going to linked to first dimension. So for that purpose I have to go for standards here, tools, go for relations, and now I'm creating some new relations here. So I'm giving this SD1 should be equal to SD0 into 2. So this should be outer circle, outer diameter should be double. So I'm just going to click enter and update. So you can see if this is 11, second one will be 22 because this is multiplied by 2. Now go for OK and now create extrusion. I'm giving an extrusion in this and giving the value. The value I'm giving is around 2 millimeters, or yes, 2 millimeters. Now you can see there, this is the washer we have created. I'm going to create one more parameter here. In tools, go for relation. This is 3D relationship. So I'm just going to click on the surface of the solid. You will see whole parameters here. I'm going to relate this T2 with reference to equal to this internal diameter. And now I'm giving it should be divided by 5. So whatever the size will be, it will convert. Press Ctrl G for rebuilding or refreshing, and you can see the parameters here now. So we'll see the parameter has been changed. This is 2.2 now as per the internal diameter. Now Control plus G. This is a updation feature. Now this is a feature which is for washer we have created. Now we have to go for the another topic. Another topic is family table. Go for it. And now if you want to create a washer copies without having a Excel file, so just go for this option, which is called add delete the table column. And here you can see, here I am just going to add dimensions, features, parameters, whatever I want. I'm going to create dimensions here. Now I'm picking on this surface, so all dimensions will be available. Now I'm picking the first one, now second one, and the third, and click update. So you will see D0, D1 and D2 has been included here. Now I'm going to create like this. Pick on, select entire row. Now right click on this again and insert an instance row. So you will see the instance row has been added here. Now right click on this, or you can do one thing. You can simply select here and go for this option. This option is called copy the selected instance with increment patternization. So if you want some standard variable values, so just go for this option. And now you can add parameters from this way. So here, how much quantity you need to have, you just give the quantities. So I'm giving here, I need 5 quantities, right? So you are giving here the value 5, and after that just add the dimensions here. So here is a first direction. I'm picking by shift, the all value will be selected. Go for this, right? And this has been included in this quantity bar. So now you can see there, I'm just picking on D0 and I want the increment of 2 millimeter or 1 millimeter. You can give as per your requirements. So I'm just giving 2 millimeters. Pick the D1, give the second, and give the same value again 2. Provide 2, then enter, then 2, enter, 2, enter. So all this has been created by incrementation of 2 millimeter. Now go for OK. So all the features, copied feature has been included here. So you will see there, second one is useless, so just delete this. Initially, select the entire row, and then delete this. Select entire row, delete row, yes. Then this is also a copy of first one, so just go for selecting the entire row, then delete row. So this row also has been deleted. So now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 instances. You can give the name of this also. I'm giving the name by giving this type here. This I'm giving M12, and this I'm giving M14. This I'm giving M14. Then this I'm giving M16. This I'm giving M18. So you can see the whole instances we have created now, and the job has been completed. Click OK and update this part. Control G and save this part one more time and close this part. And you will see there, if you are working in some assembly workbench, you can call the parts as, if you open this section and I'm opening the washer section, and you will see we have saved only one part, which is washer standard. Now we have M12, M14, M16 and M18. If I'm opening M18, so you will see the difference. Edit, the value has been changed. This is 3.8, 38, and this one is 19. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.